Effects of tension block mountains. Because of internal movement, horizontal waves moving from each other are formed. This causes the tension in the layer of the rock. This leading to the formation of the fracture in the rock are called faults. Similarly, waves coming towards each other in the rock are also formed faults due to the compression when the two parts of the earth crust in between two parallel faults lifted. It looks like block. Such a landforms are called as block mountains. Thank you.
Rift Valley. In the horizontal movement of the earth surface act on the opposite direction, it causes the tension on the earth crust, tension on the rock of the earth crust. The tension is increased. The friction developed by continuously to the layer of rock is not found. Sometimes the fraction develops side by side in the earth crust. The subside. The subside is deep part of the Rift Valley. Thank you.
The earthquake and volcanoes located in the flat boundaries. The volcanoes are located in the coastal areas of the Pacific Oceans. The volcano and earthquake commonly occur in the place of western coast of the western continent of North America and the continent of South America, and to the eastern coast of the continent of Asia. The important belt of the earthquake and volcanoes is along with the Mediterranean Sea and is connected with the Pacific belt. The third important belt of the earthquake and volcanoes are with the Atlantic Oceans, and it further move towards the Arctic Ocean in the north pole, and to the Antarctica Ocean, and it further moves toward the Indian Ocean. Thank you. Here, the seismic waves is divided into three waves: primary waves, secondary waves, and surface waves. Here is the epicenter. Here is the Earth's surface, and this is the focus of the earthquake. Thank you.
Primary wave or P wave. These waves are the first ones to reach the Earth's surface after the energy. These waves are travel in a high speed. These waves travel in the fro and back direction. These waves travel in all the three mediums. They are liquid, solid, and gaseous. While traveling the liquid medium, the direction gets changed. Thank you.
The waves that reach to the Earth's surface after the primary waves is called the secondary waves. These waves scatter in all directions with the help of the focus from this earthquake. The velocity of primary waves is lesser than the secondary waves. These waves they can travel through the solid medium, and whenever they get entered in the liquid medium, they get absorbed. This wave, the primary waves is more destructive than the secondary waves. Thank you.
Surface or L wave. These waves are generated after the main waves P and S waves reach to the epicenter. They can travel to the direction of the circumference of the Earth along with crust, they are very destructive. The seismographic. This instrument can be measured